few steps away from the Brandenburg Gate is Tiergarten, the third largest inner-city park in Germany. There's many interesting monuments and architectures. This includes a Soviet War memorial just 700 meters away from the gate. The memorial was erected by the Soviet Union within a month after capturing the city to commemorate its war dead, particularly the 80,000 soldiers of Soviet armed forces who died during the Battle of Berlin in April and May 1945. The memorial was built from the stonework taken from the destroyed Ranch Chancery, where some of the marble used to build it come from the destroyed government building nearby. Today, the memorial is still a site of active commemoration and pilgrimage for the war veterans from the country of the former Soviet Union. So I thought I was able to walk from the gate down to the monument, but no. I didn't realize it's such a big park. So make the most of your 48-hour pass by just taking the bus. And I think we're there soon. Another Berlin's iconic and historic monument is located at the center of the park, designed by Heinrich Strack and inaugurated in September 2, 1873 to initially commemorate the Prussian victory in the Danish-Prussian War. So finally, we arrived at another important and iconic landmark here. The Berliners call this statue the Golden Lizzie because of the golden statue. But its official name is Berlin Victory Columns. It was inaugurated in 1873 to celebrate Prussia's victory in the Austro-Prussian War and the Franco-Prussian War. Since Prussia are also victorious in Austro-Prussian War and Franco-Prussian War, these later victories in the so-called Unification War inspired the addition of bronze sculpture of Victoria. The Roman goddess of victory measures 27 feet high and weighing 35 tons, designed by Frederick Drake.